So let's go back to the exercise we did last time and let's try to solve the problem I proposed. Let's run it first. We see this is the program we had that draws horizontal lines, and we want to change it so the lines are vertical instead of horizontal. So let's see what would change in this program. The first line would stay the same, void draw. We are using this block here to create animation. So these 4 lines are executed over and over again. We want to keep our background 0 because the background is still black. Our stroke 255, so the lines are white. But these 2 lines are going to change. We had here the distance to the top, and the line function here will also change these values probably. Let's look at our drawing from yesterday, and let's try to. I recommend when you have an idea of something, some visual program you want to create, it's good to take a piece of paper and a pen and make a few drawings like this so we understand what's going on. Now we will draw points like this, or lines like this. Well, this should be vertical, it's almost vertical. And we will be choosing points that go from the top to the bottom. I mean, a point on the top, a point on the bottom, and then we create the line. And yesterday here they were horizontal. So the first set of points was on the left, second set of points was on the right. And how do we make it vertical? So again, this time these 2 values are going to be the same. Here we had y1 and y2 were equal, and this exercise x1 and x2 must be equal because x1 is the distance from the left border to our point, and x2 again same distance from the left border to the next point. Okay, and what else do we know? And then we know y0, which is the distance from this point here to the top. This is obviously 0 because it's on the top, and the y2 is 99. Why? Because it's on the bottom. So let's look at our program. What do we have here? Gonna delete this. To make it more correct, we should rename the variable because now it's not anymore the distance from the top, it's the distance from the left. So I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna type here distance left. The value random 100 we can keep because our screen is 100 pixels wide and the same amount of pixels tall. If the screen would be more longer, like wider than taller, then this would be a problem. But our screen is square, so random 100. And here we enter the new values. Line from where? X. So this is our new distance left variable. And then how far from the top? 0. And then again, the same distance from the left. And how far from the top? 99. So this point here is on the top and this point here is on the bottom. So this should make it. Now let's run the program. And here we have the same effect, but now we have vertical lines.